Happy Sunday. Welcome and welcome back to the vlog. My name is Kiwana, but all my friends call me Kay. And if you're here, you might as well stay a while because it's the Kiki. Now, we are actually out already, child. We are out and we are on the way to run some errands. Now, only one of these errands that I'm running today is a necessity. Well, I'm not even gonna say that. I'm gonna take that back. So I am planning a trip next month, and I have to have very specific outfits for this trip. I created the outfits that I need to have, but I have not put the outfits together. It's okay because defaults on these motorcycles. All right, girl. Okay. Anyway, I made this whole list of the things that I have to have, or you know what I'll wear and all that, but I have not bought anything, so I need to go to my store to see if there's some stuff there, and I need specific silhouettes and specific colors. Hopefully I can find it in the store here. Yesterday, maybe I went to Six Flags for the first time in easily over 10 years. When I tell you Six Flags wore me out. It was storming this morning. And I was already tired and sluggish. I mean, could barely move. Jim was like, baby, you going to church? I'm like, I don't know. I might be watching church online. It was storming. The power went out over there anyway, so we did not have church. All I could think about was thank you, because you knew I needed. You knew I needed rest, and you knew I didn't want to feel bad about not going.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. Yes, I can't relate to desperation. My give a fucks are on vacation.
And I got this boy, and you won't stop calling when they act this way. I know I'm proud.
Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and not perfume for you.
So it's summertime and we're getting the pool together. Now look, I know it look crazy right now, but we're under construction. We put a bunch of shock in it last night because it was like dark green, so we put a bunch of shock in it, so the color is changing. And now let me see, now baby is getting all the leaves out. And if you see like all the white parts, that's the actual like shock, right? Wait, the white part is algae? White? Oh, never mind. So what's making it that color? Is that the stuff at the bottom?
What's making what? The water?
Yeah, like this green color.
It's still green.
Huh?
It's still green.
Oh, okay, so it has to keep filtering through.
We may have to do it again.
So how long you think it'll take?
If it just did this,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if I go and buy another box like I did last night.
Mm-hmm. How long you say?
I said if I go and buy another box like I did last night, it might be good
Tomorrow?
tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because, I mean, this did, and he told me to record, but I didn't. And this did kind of change super duper quick. So, this is what we got so far. So, I'll give y'all an update next time. Next time we come back out. Well, actually, when it just starts changing, I'll come back and give y'all the update.
With immense pride and profound gratitude. This is a historic moment, but even more so, it is a deeply personal one. It affirms the dream that a dream deferred is not a dream denied.
Happy Wednesday. Hey, y'all. I feel like I ain't talked to y'all in the car in a little minute because so the thing that y'all usually sit on in my car, the bottom of it is like broken. So, yeah, I don't want it to slide out. So, like, even right now, I'm scared. Anyway, I think the last time I talked to y'all, I was giving y'all an update on my pool. So, I said that I was gonna do I really wanted to do a end of the year, kind of end of the season pool party for my basketball girls. Because I mean, like I was saying during the season, they freaking work their butt off. I feel like they deserve it. And then this will be like my way of officially closing the chapter with them so that they can, move on to whoever is gonna be their next coach. And I was supposed to do it last weekend, but y'all saw what that pool looked like, baby. They cannot get in that pool. Nobody can get in that pool. Nobody but the algae can be in that pool looking like that, and the frogs. So, it is like, I went to look at it this morning before I left out, and it is literally blue now. It's blue. So now we just have to get it to a point where it is not as cloudy. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is do the pool party on this Sunday. Because by Sunday, everything, all the cloudiness and that stuff should be gone by the time we put the chemicals and stuff in. So yeah, so I'm excited about that because I get to actually tell the girls now like when we're gonna do it, because they are always so excited. Anytime I say, okay, we're gonna do this, or hey, like this is happening, they be like, okay, Coach Taylor, so when, what time, where, where we going, what we need to wear? And I'm like, whoa, calm down. But yeah, so now I'm excited to tell them that we're gonna do it on Sunday. Which will mean that for the rest of the week, I actually have to do my chores because I won't be able to do it on Sunday because I will be with the girlies. And one thing about them, we have a good time, child. I know, it's coaches and athletes and stuff, but we have a good freaking time. We're gonna have some good music. I might even let them listen to their own playlist. Lord, might even let them listen to their own playlist. How we do it. And yeah, I'm excited about it. Happy Thursday. Alright, so I think I was showing y'all, I was showing y'all and giving y'all like little updates on the pool. She's giving blue. She's giving somebody can get in there. You know what I'm saying? Jerry still has a couple more things that he has to do to make it a bit like just more clear. Which is blue and it's, what do you call it? Chlorinated. I don't know. It got enough chemicals in it, but of course he's gonna add like some more salt and stuff to it because it is a saltwater pool. So he's gonna add some more salt to it, and yeah, we're getting there. The summer is about to pipe open. Now, this backyard, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's giving a hot mess. But honestly, I don't even come back here when it's cold. I don't come back here because for what? For why? Why would I subject myself to the cold for real? I'm not gonna do that. But y'all come back over here. Thank you. Yes. So just want to give y'all an update on the pool. Yeah. So we're about to go back in the house, make sure the dogs are good, get everything set up, and yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Okay, it's the last day of school. What you got to say?
I don't really gotta say nothing, but I'm going to Spencer High School.
Yay! Woo! What you got to say?
All I have to say is don't miss KD too much.
Oh my gosh. Y'all want to be on the vlog? Yeah. Okay, last day of school. What y'all got to say?
I'm not ready for high school yet.
Yes, you are. Stop lying.
I am so ready for high school, and I love everybody here.
And I just want to thank everybody for and thank you.
I'm excited for letting me do my mixing assignment.
Oh yes, my mixing assignments. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chris Taylor.
For the magical 70s.
Y'all are gonna get us at 300 or 200. It was something like that.
Y'all are gonna love Mr. Taylor.
It was
Happy Saturday, y'all. I know it's getting cute. So I am actually on the way to meet my friend for a taco. So I'm about to get on the road. But I wanted to give y'all kind of like the last little update for the week of the pool. Y'all, Jeremy did his big one. Y'all brother did his big one. Y'all look at this. What? Come on now. Yeah, he got it together. So now it's really just up to me. Now I gotta get this, you know, to not look such a hot mess. But yeah, we are officially summer ready, baby. And look, this how you know. This how you know we be back here doing something, you know. Grilled and got burnt from the sun. But just know, the food won't be. Clock that. Anyway, I just wanted to give y'all an update. We are about to get in the car and hit the road. I'm gonna see you when we get to the taco spot.
Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I can smoke already so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush?
Okay, so we have left Pretty Little Tacos and we just pulled up to the high school. So a couple of my girls from the team last year are playing AAU, and they actually had a tournament in Atlanta in Stockbridge, which is kind of close to my mom's house. So I'm finna pull up on the kids. You know what I'm saying? Pull up on a kid. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up. So we're about to get out the car, go inside, and yeah, show some support to the babies.
I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
Back at the house. Finally, I feel like I was street running for real today. Now I'm also gonna go ahead and close out the vloggy vlog right here. And granted, this vlog has been kind of short, but I am kind of working on something else. So hopefully y'all will forgive me for my little mini vlog for the week, because I really didn't do too much. It was the last week of school for real, and all I did all week was kind of get prepared for pool party tomorrow. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close the vloggy vlog right here. As always, if you stay to the end, you're winning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this week, let's see. This week, just say hey in the comments down there. Let's have a little combo, a little chit chat, and I'm gonna catch you guys next week. Bye.
I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together?